Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today's video is going to be super awesome because I have something really nice to show you all. On my desk I have Xiaomi's latest truly wireless earbuds, the AirDots Pro. I've been waiting for such a long time to get my hands on this and I finally got them. The special thing about them is the design of these earbuds is pretty similar to Apple's AirPods. They even support active noise cancellation and the best part is they cost less than half the price of AirPods. That is the main reason I was so excited to check them out. So the Xiaomi's AirDots Pro come in this sort of box packing. We've got some of its features listed, let me show you. Their truly wireless earbuds have active noise cancellation, are very lightweight, portable and also support touch controls. Now those are some really nice features, right? Okay, let's see what do we have at the back side. So we've got the specs of this product here, let me show you. They weigh around 58 grams, have a USB Type-C port, impedance is 16 ohms, supports Bluetooth V4.2 and have a Bluetooth range of around 10 meters. So those were all the details of the product. Talking about the color, the AirDots Pro are available only in white color for now. So that was our complete look at the box packing. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the box. I want to thank Banggood for sending me this product for review. These AirDots Pro are available only in China guys, so if you want them you have to import it from these Chinese websites. The Xiaomi's AirDots Pro come in this sort of packaging. You've got the earbuds at the top and the charging case just below that. So let me just take these truly wireless earbuds out of the box and show you how they look like. So finally here are the AirDots Pro. Wow, they look very beautiful, but before I show them to you in detail, let me also take the charging case out of the box. The case looks quite compact and has a very similar design like the Apple AirPods. Along with that, you also get a user manual, make sure to read that, a USB Type-C cable for charging the truly wireless earbuds, and a packet of extra ear tapes. They come in different sizes, assuming the medium ones are already on the earbuds. So these are all the items you got in the package. Now let me finally show you the product. So this is how the AirDots Pro look like. As you can see, the design of these earbuds is quite similar to Apple's AirPods. They come in this beautiful white color and feel very lightweight in the hand. Each of these earbuds weigh only around 5.8 grams. The build quality of the product is also top notch. The body is entirely made of high quality plastic. And you see this flat area over here? This is the touch sensor. It offers a lot of controls which I'll show you later in the video. The design looks pretty good, it's got a silver rim around it and has the charging contacts at the bottom. Talking about the ear tapes, it's got transparent silicone ear tips which feel soft and durable. And one more awesome feature is, these AirDots Pro have optical sensors on them to automatically control the audio experience when you put them in your ears. Now that is what I'm talking about. They're smart, truly wireless earbuds that offer a whole lot of features. Okay, let me just put them aside and show you the charging case. So this is how the charging case looks like. Both the AirDots as well as the case have a matte finish and look premium from my first impressions. There's nothing much written on it except the Mi logo and some product details at the backside. On the front you only have a tiny Bluetooth LED status indicator. Going to the right there's a multifunction button and on the bottom side it has a USB Type-C port for charging the earbuds. Okay, let me open it and show you the inside. So this is how the charging case looks like. The AirDots are magnetic earbuds, so as soon as you bring them close and insert, they automatically get connected. Let me just put them inside and show you. So guys, each of these earbuds weigh only around 5.8 grams and they're also IPX4 rated water resistant. So this is how easily you can place them in the case and carry them anywhere. Oh, looks like the battery is low. I'll just charge these AirDots and then we'll continue with the comfort and the audio quality. Alright guys, I'm back. So first let me tell you how to pair these earbuds with your phone. The pairing process is very simple. They're compatible with both Android as well as iPhones. To power them on and enter in the pairing mode, all you need to do is just press and hold this multi-function button for about 2 to 3 seconds until the LED on the front starts blinking. Now turn on Bluetooth on your phone and pair with it. That's it guys, you've successfully paired them with your phone. Now next time if you want to use them, just open the lid of the case and they'll automatically connect with the last paired device. That's awesome, right? Now let me tell you about the comfort and the audio quality. The Xiaomi's AirDots Pro are quite comfortable to wear for long time usage. They feel nice and lightweight, but the only thing I felt was they were a bit loose in my ears and the noise isolation was also okay. The good thing is they're IPX4 rated water resistant, that means you can even use them during workouts. Okay, let me tell you about the audio quality. The audio quality was pretty good on these earphones. I have listened to a lot of songs on these AirDots Pro and loved the experience. They've got a 7mm neodymium driver plus titanium plated diaphragm. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow, and I could easily understand all the dialogues. The high frequency response was also very good, it was producing silky smooth treble. And coming to the bass was decent, but it didn't have that thumping bass which I was expecting. It was okay, but felt could have been better. On the overall, the audio quality was pretty good considering the price point. Talking about the THD, the distortion was less up to 85% volume level. Beyond that, you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. I've told you right, these earbuds also have a built-in microphone. The mic quality was very good during call conversations. So that was about the audio quality. Now let me tell you all the special features of the AirDots Pro. These earbuds come with touch sensors that offer a lot of special controls, like by double tapping the right earpiece you can either answer calls or even play pause music. By double tapping on the left earpiece you can easily access Google Assistant on Android or Siri on iPhone. And finally, by long touching the right earbud, you can turn on or off the active noise cancellation. Active noise cancellation reduces all the unwanted background noise, mostly low frequencies, so you can enjoy your music without any disturbances. ANC was actually doing a pretty good job. It may not be as good as my Bose QC35M2, but considering the price point, it was doing very well. Now let me tell you about the battery life. The battery life on the AirDots Pro was decently good. On an average, you'll get a continuous music playtime of around 3 to 4 hours, but combined with the case, it'll offer you a total working time of around 10 hours. Plus, they also support Type-C fast charging, so you can completely charge the case from 0 to 100 in just 1 hour. So that was my video on Xiaomi's new AirDots Pro. They're really good, truly wireless earbuds for the price. The build quality is nice, has a lot of cool features like touch controls and active noise cancellation. And the audio quality was also good. The only thing I felt was they were a bit loose in my ears and didn't have a snug fit. And also the bass could have been a bit little more punchier. Rest everything else was fine. These AirDots Pro are available only in China for now and cost around 399 yuan, which is around 4500 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. Well, that was it for today guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.